Hello, so welcome to my channel Astrology with Science. So we are continuing the part 2 for a subscriber who have asked the question in comment box in the post, and this is the free general analysis from me to you. This is my from me to you, a small gift from me to you. No expectations, nothing. I don't even want anything. I don't want anything. I'm telling you, there's no expectation. I will not tell you to even subscribe, like, or do anything. I just want you to watch this video for your own self. Okay, this is there's no expectation. Number one, this channel is totally for you. I want you to be happy. Number one, as we cannot make everyone happy, I'm not a ice cream parlor, but I will try to do something. I will try to give you some good values or some good guidance, so something better happen in your life. If something happen good, I will be very happy. This I want. So let's start this from me to you. So this is part 2 continuing. So we get like lots of posts, lots of comments from our subscriber and non-subscriber too. So we will try to cover each one. So let's start. And I want to first I will do in this video of I don't know, like she didn't tell me her complete name, full name, but I think her name is Miha, and I think she's one of the oldest and one of the regular subscribers. She watches our video, so we will cover her, and she have asked to do in this part. So I have promised her that I will do, as I can see her comment in here. So please take mine. Yeah, I will do it. So let's start. So she's like 16th of August 1995. So 1 6, that is 7. 7 is number of Ketu, and whenever there is a 7 means that person is spiritual. They don't want to show it, but that person is spiritual. That person value the relation. That person value the friendship. That person value the even family. They don't get the love what they want, but yes, they are the good humans, I can say one thing. And these people want to get success in all the things they want, but they don't get success at their level. Okay, these people are a little bit lazy, but at last they have a good and successful life. As the age moves, they will get slowly everything. And one thing I can say, the like 7 number is number of destruction also, means no enemies can fight with them. If you will see, 7 is Cristiano Ronaldo, 7 is James Bond 007, 7 is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Indian superstar cricketer. So 7, Narendra Modi, Indian Prime Minister, 1 6 16 7 7. So people should not take anything enmity with these people. Now let's start. This was the only numerology. Now let's for the astrology. So Miha, female, 16 7 1995, 10:25 a.m. Zagreb. Okay. So 16 7 1995. Oh, sorry. August is 8. 16 8 1995. 16 8 1995. 16 8 1995. 10:25 a.m. Okay. Also, your birthday passed, so happy birthday, Miha. I wish you best. I wish all the blessing in the world comes to you. So happy birthday. And 16th August 1995, 10:25 a.m. Zagreb. Okay. So let's go. So you have a Leo ascendant, and Aries is your Rashi, or you can say sign. So I can see that Mercury is placed in your the first house. So I can tell one thing, that you are very like humorous. You are very lovable person. Means you like to talk, you like to communicate, you like to know. Suppose that if you become a fan of someone, so you keep that promise, and you always promise even with your relationship. Like if you have a boyfriend, if you have parent, so you do the work which you tell. Sometimes you get lazy, but yeah, you do the work. And one thing I can say, that you are educated also, you know things, even you want to learn new language also. And one thing I can say, you have a ego nature too, because first house lord, that is sun is going to the 12th house. So you have a little bit ego nature, little bit I can say. Some people may find you a bit arrogant, some people might find you some moody, some people will say you emotional, some people will not everyone will understand you. The thing is that you are a very complex human. I'm telling you straight. And other thing, you are very attached to your homeland. I can say your fourth house, you love your parents, your mother, your sibling, or sometimes you get fight with them, but yeah, sibling I will also take with the relatives kid. But yeah, it's good. And you are attached with your homeland, you like your home, you like your society, you like your culture, you like your food, you love to eat. And one thing I can say, oh, Saturn is in the seventh house, and Saturn is in own sign. Late marriage, number one. Relationship issue, number two. Past karmic life spouse or partner will come. Means whoever boyfriend, husband, whoever will come in your life, that will be you from coming from your past life. So they will give you some lesson, or you will teach them some lesson. There will be some past karmic life lesson attached with your love. And what question you have asked? I would like if you tell me where I will meet my spouse. Okay. So see, whenever there is a seventh in seventh, so number one, you have to initiate yourself. You have to tell your either your parents. I don't know what happened in Croatia, but in India, like girls, if they want to get married, so parents initiate. So I don't know. So either you have means you have to say yes, you have to tell your parents, your relatives, or you have to make your profile on online matrimony site or any like Tinder, any like dating sites, and you have to initiate. Means in your marriage there will be more of your recommendation and of your yes than any other. And I will say that will be good for your own self, because seventh in the seventh, number one. And this is your seventh house is not good. I will tell you why. Because if I see the houses near to this are not supporting your like relationship, so what I can tell, that even if you get married, even if you go to relationship, you will not so happy. Like if you will love someone like 200%, 300%, they will love only 70 60%. They will tell that we care for you, but you also know that what is all about. Rahu in the third house. This is your third house. Rahu in the third house. One thing I can tell, there is some issue with the communication with the love. Mm. And then, mm, mm, and what you have asked, and what he will be like and look like. So whenever there is a Saturn is in its own sign. So we will, from the seventh house we can say that your spouse will be mature, your spouse will be like guiding nature to your spouse will be a little bit rough, your spouse will be serious, your spouse will be very serious toward his life. And then another thing, Venus is also karaka, Venus is also significator of a marriage. So Venus in the 12th house, you may even sometime talk with any foreigner or another religion, another caste creed from your own self. There may be a chance you will attach with someone else. There's a lots of chance to get married with the love come arrange, means there will be approval of your parents too. 10th in 12th, you may work, not today not tomorrow, but one day you will work, or you have worked for the MNCs or private companies or private firms or big firms. They like lots to do. Now we will check Navans. So 7th house is empty, very good, that's great. 7th house, Jupiter goes to the 5th house. Good, good, very good. They will be love into relationship after marriage. Jupiter in the 5th house. Good, very good. You gonna have a son. Uh, Fifth Lord going to 10th house. If there is no respect, you don't want to work there. Moon and Saturn in the first house, lazy. Moon in the Saturn in the first house, moody. Moon in the Saturn in the first house, always don't know what to do. Now goes to comes to the moon chart. See me, huh? I can do like analysis of 2 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours. Even I can go for like 7 to 8 days. Even I can go for 1 year for one chart. My guru have taught me so much thing, but I can say for the general reading. In the moon chart, Rahu in the seventh house, unconventional marriage. Rahu in the seventh house. There will be some problem in the marriage or on the marriage date. There may be some issue related to finance or relationship, something they will be there. Seventh house lord goes to the fourth house. Yeah, you need approval of your parents. If not parents, your siblings. If not siblings, your friends. Now goes comes to the sun chart. Seventh lord goes to the eighth house. There will be relationship issue. That's confirmed. Now comes to the Chalit chart. Again, seventh lord is empty. Seventh lord Saturn goes to the eighth house. So you may be attracted toward another religion. You may want to do occult, magic, or prayer, even attached with the divine deities, religion, God with other religion. You may respect other religion people. You may respect gurus and master from other religion. So this I can say. There may be chance to get married twice, Miha. So be very careful. Do meditation. Don't be anxiety. Means don't get anxious too much. Do mindfulness, meditation. Do breathing exercise. Try to run every day. So this was a small reading. If you want, you try to come someday for a private consultation. We will do complete analysis. Now comes to the another. Done. We will write it, so we will know it what we have done completed as of now. So too many charts. Let's go for the newest first. So newest, no, like what about the one who were waiting from yesterday? So we will go to from the last. So Nas, your name is Nas. So Nasreen, okay, Nasreen. But you have asked like two for Nasreen and Nas. So from which one should I reply? Female chart, male, female chart. Okay, both are the female chart. And for which one should I ask? Should I reply? Mm, so which one I don't know. Okay, let's go for him first. Nurse. What does nurse means? And date of birth. Date of birth. Date of birth. 18 to 1999. 18 to 1999. Time to 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Singapore. Guys, I know like lots of thing, but I sometimes feel like what to tell, like what to not tell in like general reading now, because like everyone is watching. So sometimes I get like I should not tell this, I should tell this. So that's happened. Singapore. Oh, 18 Feb 1999 to 6 a.m. Nas, female. So let's check. Please, Singapore is not coming. Nas, Singapore. It's just Singa. Singapore. Singapore is not coming. Where is Singapore? I know it's out of India, but Con- Singapore. Singapore is not coming. What is Singapore capital? Singapore is Singapore only. Hmm. 18 to 1999 and ours is 26 am 0206 am Singapore. 18 to 1999, 18 to 1999, 26 am NAS Singapore. So I hope this is your chart, NAS. If not, you may confirm me. So I can see Scorpio is your ascendant, and I can see that Aquarius is your sign. You can say Rashi. And what do you want to ask, Nash? When will I get married? That time period, I mean. Okay. Second question: spouse from overseas or not? Means, is he foreigner or I mean? Okay, no problem. You mean a lot, but still. So seventh house Lord, seventh house is empty. Very good, good sign. Seventh house Lord is going to the fifth house. So it means love marriage, love come arrange come love marriage. You two will not get married without the approval of your parents. You love your parents, yeah. You want to keep your parents happy. If not parent, if your sister, if not sister, then the relatives. They is like you also want yes from your relatives. I don't know why, because you love them. Another thing, Jupiter Venus together, good, very good. Success after marriage. Venus in the fifth house, you need love and romance. You watch love and romance videos and reels and the videos and the serials. As of now, I'm not sure you are in the relationship or not. Even if you are not, you want, you dream, you see, you want your dream hero. Venus in the fifth house, good, very good. Jupiter in the fifth house, good, very good. You're gonna have a son in the future. 90% chance. Seventh house goes to the fifth house. Love come arrange. I'm telling you directly. Even if you meet someone, you will not get married without your approval from someone. You need some approval. You can't run away. I cannot do anything in this. Now, another thing, there will be lots of spending in your marriage. There will be gifts exchanged from your parents to your spouse parents. There is less chance to marry a foreigner. There is more chance to marry the person who comes from your religion. The person who is religion, he may be either living in your country or in my country or in Asian country, but most of the chance he will get married into your same religion. You will not marry inter religion, because 7th to 5th always they married to religion, even if they love marriage. Now moon in the fourth house, very attached to the family. Sun in the fourth house, they you have a good properties, you have your own home, you have an ancestral home. Mm, then Ketu in the third house and Ketu Lord Saturn in the sixth house. There is sometime little bit fight, little bit happiness from your siblings. Sometime you fight, sometime you love. There is problem, but still you want them. First house is empty. First lord Mars is going to the 12th house. You may have some headache, BP problem in future. You will have some headache or BP problem in the future, or some problem related to the blood. Rahu in the ninth house. I can tell one thing, and then ninth house Lord Moon is going to the fourth house. So one thing I can assure, that your chart has some problem. Your chart have some problem. I don't know why it looks like. I don't want to say like directly. That's why I'm getting like quiet many time. I don't want to say anything. It shows some problem. It shows some life problem. So one thing I will tell, that yeah, relationship it will be okay. You will get a good looking spouse. You will get a caring spouse. There will be issue with your mother-in-law. There will be issue with your in-laws. But overall, it will be good. So that's all. I hope you love this. Now you have asked for the marriage. Your Saturn Mahadasha is going on, and Saturn is in your sixth house, or Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Mercury. So you gonna get married after 2000. Let me check. Not, your time is not coming. You have to wait at least for 2 years before getting married. So till then you can wait. You can enjoy your life, and try to get married after 2 years only. That time is not correct for you. Wait for 2 years at least. After 2 years you can discuss this. So now let's check for another Kundli. So done. Sujel Jain. Hi Jain Saab. Oh, Sujel, I think she's female, है ना? Sujel, nice name. Sujel, female. Let's go for the female. But I'm a little bit confused, female or male. But I think that will be female only. 12/6. My birth date is also 12. 12. 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Number 3. Religious. Number 3. They want to do something their own. Number 3. They want to get famous like me. Sujel. Number 3. They are very hardworking in nature. I think me too, but my parents call me lazy. So, Sujel, 6 June. June. You will be very good mother. 2000 means 12/6/2000. Wow. If you will guys see, 6 to 12. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Wow. Love your birth date, Sujal. Love your birth date. And you are born on Lalitpur. 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 Uttar Pradesh. And time is 1:43 a.m. 1:43 a.m. 1:43 a.m. At the stroke of midnight you born. Nice. 1:43 a.m. And Lalitpur, Uttar Pradesh, Sujal, female, 12/6/2000. So let's go. So you are a Pisces ascendant. Great, great. And you are Virgo sign, Virgo zodiac sign. Moon in the 7th house. Wow, wow. You're gonna get a good spouse. Okay, you haven't asked a question about spouse, because most of the question I get spouse. But yeah, you will get a good spouse. You will get a little bit chubby spouse. And if not, you will get a little bit emotional spot. Either chubby, either emotional. You will get one thing sure. I have not seen you, but I can say that you also look good. You are a good looking person. People find you cute. Okay, and you will get a good partner, no doubt about it. You will never have a divorce chance. No, I don't think so. You will only have a divorce sujal if your husband chart will be afflicted. Otherwise, there is very less to nil chance to get divorce from your chart. Okay, and other thing, fifth lord going to seventh lord means good in study. They want to work hard, no doubt about it. So what is your question? I am doing mbbs, so great, I'm very happy for you. I want to become famous. Will my chart has yoga to become famous? So for the famous we look for three. Venus in the second house, Venus in the third house, first second third. Yes, you will get famous, but not now. uh, After a few years. As of now, dasha is not good for 2024. And for the house of career, so 10th house is empty. 10th house lord is going to the third house. You will be into a public service sector. mm, you will work for big company. Sujal, there is high chance to get a government job. Please try it. Always try till your like last attempt. Please try for the government exam. There is very high chance to get government exam. I'm not telling for everyone, I'm telling for you. And even if you by chance you don't go for a government exam, there is a high chance that you will work for a big hospital or big company. And I'm also singer. Can I become a famous on social media by singing and continue my career in singing profession? So yeah, you can do it. If we will see that you have a Jupiter plus Venus, and Venus in the third house is show. Third is house is a house of communication, house of telling, house of mouth. If you will see like whole chart, the number one is your face. Okay, number two you can say your mind, number three is your mouth. Okay, house of communication. So Venus in the third house itself with the Jupiter is a guru. So you have a kripa of Saraswati Ma, you have a kripa of guru. But there is a problem of a Saturn, means delayed success. Means there are many singers who get success in their like early in the childhood, but there is delayed success. But there is a sun. Slowly people will start recognizing you. There is a problem of a Saturn which is giving you some obstacle. So I will recommend you that whenever you want to sing, always remember Ma Saraswati. If not, Lord Ganesha. If you follow Jain tradition, then always recite this, like I don't know, like I'm forgetting, but what I have read from my guru, that Om Namo Arihantanam, Om Namo Vijayana. So this is like total 5 verse you have to recite. That means you have to remember your guru. Don't forget, because guru is also in the third house. Venus is very strong. You will marry to into good family. No need to worry. Your spouse will be a little bit mama's boy, so be careful. I don't know why, but yeah. And I'm a singer. Yeah, you will become singer. Start not now. From 2025 you can go to the like next level. But if you want to start, you can start by making reels, by making YouTube channel videos. But if you want to do, you can do after Dashera, a Navratri, which is coming in October month. After that you can do. And if you do regularly. Okay, don't leave. Even when you get married, you will become a mother, grandmother, don't leave Sujal. Always recite, do practice. Not today, not tomorrow, but you will get a famous, no doubt about it. But yes, you will not get famous to the level of like top string singer. I will tell you directly, but people will admire you. People will know you, admire you. So this will happen, but yes, you will not be such a famous that you gonna earn crores from, or millions or billions from music or singing. People will admire, recognize you, they will praise you, but there will be some level because Saturn is there, as Saturn delayed the success. I will tell you, please continue education, don't stop anything, don't give break. If you are doing MBBS, please do it. Take a job side by side as a hobby, as a passion. Don't leave your singing too. Okay, Sujat, I hope you like this analysis. This is a short analysis. For the complete, I can go to the many of your chart. You can take a private consultation, but this is a free generality. I can do this now. So done. Now comes for the Kanupriya Sharma. Kanupriya. I got some complaint from Kanupriya. Why not me? Okay, Kanu. So, uh, 711. Okay, 7. 7. Good number. Narendra Modi, 16. 1 plus 6, 7. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, 7. Cristiano Ronaldo, 7. So 7 is a good number. People should not keep enmity with the 7 number. 711. So 711 1998. So birth time 8:45 am. 8:45 am. Okay, and Alwar, Rajasthan. When I will get the predictions, job change or administrative service. Sure, sure, Kanu. Alwar. So get your Kundli. So Kanu Priya, 7 November 1998, 7 November 1998, 8:45 am, Alwar, Rajasthan. So let's check. 8:45 am. Let me confirm. 7/11/1998, Alwar, Kanupriya. So you ask, like, when I will get married, is there any prediction of job change and administrative service? So for the job, we say we check this house, which is house number 10. You will see that Mars plus Rahu is there. Whenever there is a Mars and Jupiter looks to the 10th house, it shows government job. Mars plus Rahu, it shows a government job, it shows a relaxed job. But there is a Rahu, there is a unsatisfaction from job too, even if you get a job. 10th house Lord, which is the fifth number, that is a Sun. Great. So Mars is there, government job. Sun comes, government job. Because Sun, all the planets revolves around the Sun. All the planets do rotation around the Sun. So Sun is the one of the brightest. Sun gives the public service. So 10th house Lord goes to the 12th. It means working for the government people, government sector, public service. Jupiter in the 4th house, attachment with their mother, father, living with the parents. Jupiter looking to the 10th house, good, working for the people, working for the public, working for the lower people than you, working for betterment of people. First house Lord goes to the 10th house. First house Lord, that is the 8th, that is a Mars, which is going to 10th house Lord. 10th house, which is a great sign. This person will go to administrative service. This person will become an officer if they want, if they work very hard. 7th house is empty, very good. 7th house Lord, which is a Venus, which is going to 12th house, married to different culture people than us, married to good looking people than us, married to smart person than us. But Sun comes here. Sun is little bit hard. Sun is little bit shiny. Sun is little bit egoist. Sun is little bit more fire, like a fire, you can say, more heat, more warm. So spouse may be egoist. a spouse have some fighting nature sometimes, some relationship issue, people like you. Mercury in the first house directly, you have a tall height. Mercury in the first house, you look good. Fifth house empty, good, very good. Fifth house lord, which is the Jupiter, which goes to the fourth house, it show this person want to do hard work, this person want to study till the last time. As of now you will study for yourself, after few years you will study and you will teach your kids. You will be good teacher to your kids, to your children. Yes, you will go to administrative service, no doubt about it. Now come for the Vimshottari Dasha. If we check your Dasha, you are going through Sun Antar Dasha, Mercury Priyantar Dasha. And if we go more deep, then yeah, you should do hard work. It shows that after 2024, 2025, 26, 27, there is a lots of chance to get new job. But as of now I can see in 2027, 28 there is more chance. In next 2 to 3 years you gonna get married, and next 2 years is good to get married till 2020, before 2027. So if you are getting a proposal, please say yes and go ahead. Don't forget to worship Lord Shiva, Lord Parvati simultaneously. So now Man's chart, 7th house is empty, first is empty, very good. 7th house Lord, that is third, that is a Mercury going to the 11th house, means you are going to good family, even a family like you, a family better than you. 7th house Lord Mercury with the moon, it means emotional spouse, it means moody spouse, it means caring spouse, it means fit and fine spouse. 7th house Lord is empty going to the 11th house, it means you're gonna get little bit chubby, little bit heavy after married. So this was all little general prediction about you. I hope you like this prediction. If yes, then please comment it down. Kanu. So done. Done. Saundarya Lakshmi. Let's do for this. Saundarya. Wow, good name. Saundarya. Saundarya. Saundarya means beautiful. Saundarya. After long time, I've read a good name. Female, 17 of August. August 1925. Birth time 7:25 Chennai. 7:25. Sitaram Raja Ram, Sitaram Raja Ram, PM. Raja Ram, Sitaram, Sitaram Raja Ram, 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 Raja Ram, Sitaram, Sitaram Raja Ram. Saundarya Lakshmi, 17th of August 1995, 7:25 PM Chennai. So I hope this is your chart. When I will get married to crush, if not details of spouse appearances, career, when I will get a promotion. Okay. Saturn in the first house, this person want to do something in their life. Number one, this person want to be independent. Number two, Saturn in the in the first house itself, this person want to teach lessons to the person who hurt them. Says Saturn in the first house, people say they're very hard, people say they have a ego, but not, they are like a coconut, hard from outside, soft from inside. Saturn is looking to the seventh house, no problem. Seventh house have a Sun and Mercury, problem in a relationship, problem in a marriage, problem in everything. When there is a relationship, Sun comes into the seventh house, there will be relationship issue, there will be late marriage, there will be some issues always within the relationships. Take your boyfriend, take your partner, take your husband, there will be always some relationship. Mercury in the seventh house, your spouse will good looking, young looking, your spouse will be taller than you. You should get a, what you have asked, that when I will get married to crush, if no details of spouse appearances, career. Okay. So spouse may be in the government sector or maybe work for the big firms, or if government sector is a less chance, but they will work for big firm, they will work for the MNCs, they will work for the big private organization. A spouse will earn more than you, but you will have a uh, equality in everything. You want equality in everything. You want to be love and care. You are looking for a relationship, for a good relationship. You didn't had a good relationship in the past. I can say one thing, not good satisfaction. Ninth house goes to the sixth house. You had too much struggle. Something bad happened to you in the past. Many thing I cannot tell you in the like live sessions here, because many people are like watching, they will listen. Overall, there will be some relationship issue. Overall, I will say one thing, that pray to Shiv Parvati, number one. Pray to Guru, number two. Do some marriage remedies, I will tell you. So now comes for the another thing. Done. Oh, when I will get a promotion. Okay, good. So Saundarya Lakshmi, Jupiter in your 10th house, you should have tried for government job. If you are in, well and good. If not, try for government job. Jupiter in the 10th house, you should go for, if not, not today, not tomorrow, but in future, please go for teaching. You will very good teacher, you will very good mentor, you will very good guide. Now check for the promotion. Vimshotri Dasha. So you're going to Mars Antardasha, Rahu Mahadasha. You are not happy, you have some problem in your life, you have some anxiety, some problem, I don't know what, it shows some problem. For that I have to look your chart. You are going through some health issues. And wait a second. 2015 Rahu Mahadasha, and it is 10. This year it looks yeah, you're gonna get a promotion, no issue. You're gonna get a promotion. They will be hike in your salary too. No worries. You will get a promotion. Now, Gurinder Singh, career spouse. Sure, bhai. You have asked, we will try to do it. Gurinder Singh. Gurinder, I think this come from the Guru word. Gurinder. Okay, so Gurinder is a male. I can look his DP. So 11 10 1993, 11 10 1993, and Rajpura Rajpura Punjab. Okay, अच्छा, time 10 p.m. time 10 p.m. So Gurinder, 11 October 1983, your birthday is coming, so happy birthday in advance, Gurinder. And 10 p.m. Okay, Rajpura Punjab, 11 10 1993, 10 p.m. Gurinder. Okay, so first house empty, seventh house empty. Nice. First house is empty, Gurinder. So what is the question? Career and spouse. Okay, cool. So Gurinder, see, you have a seventh house empty, so I can tell one thing, that it is a good sign. But seventh house Lord going to the fourth house means you want a spouse that will love you, care you, think you, will do what your mother does to you, or what your mother have done to you. You expect motherly care from your spouse, number one, and you're gonna get it that only. Your spouse will be pious, your spouse will be pure, your spouse will be very care nature toward you, your spouse will be very loving toward you. There will be some ego nature which will come to during fight or something like that, but eventually it will good. You will never have a diverse, very less chance from your chart. But when you will get married, please do the horoscope analysis and gun milan and zodiac milan and some more compatibility check. You should mm, another thing, I can check your ninth house have some problem, getting delayed in success, getting delayed in marriage, getting delayed in career. Few things I don't want to tell in the for you on this live session, it will be not good. 10th house uh, of career is empty, but 10th house lord, that is Jupiter, which is going to the 4th house. Gurinder, uh, you should go for business, you should try for business. There may be a chance you are thinking to settle or go outside India, but not India is good for you. There may be a chance you are thinking to go for any private job, but yes, if you want you can go, otherwise business is shown here. There is a success after marriage. When you will get married, your wife will be your luck. Means when you will get married after 2024 is not a good sign. After 2024, if you will get married, it's good. Another thing, Mars plus Mercury in the fifth house, there was some issue in your education. The education you wanted, it never happened. The way you wanted, it never happened. Yours Venus plus Jupiter plus Saturn, your spouse will be good looking, your spouse will be cute, your spouse gonna have a good hairs, your spouse is gonna have a good eyes. But again, that your spouse will little bit angry nature, little bit haughty nature, little bit problem creating nature, but you will take care of that. So if you go for Namansh 7th is empty, good. Namansh 7th house lord, that is Venus going to the 3rd house means you want your spouse to have a good communication with you. You want your spouse to have a good way of talking, to have in the way of love. You want to have your spouse who cares toward you. Caring is big thing for you. Like, sometime you want even a mother figure in your spouse. Something I don't want to tell on the live session here, but I will tell you if you take private consultation from me, because there is some problem in the fortune and destiny of you. Otherwise, overall, it's good. Life is good. Gurinder. I will tell one thing. If if you have an interest in education, you should become a teacher. You should become a guide. You should also become a mentor. You will be good in that. You should join some educational institution, coaching institution. You will be a good teacher too. If not, if there is a chances of government job, you should try that too, because sun Jupiter same good, you can do it. But you have to work very 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 hard, because sun is there. Sun demands hard work. Number 3, you can do government job too, because your chart is very different from others. You, if you want to do anything, you can do it, but it demands sacrifice, it demands hard work. It, that's your destiny. Please listen Vishnu Sahasranam every day. I hope this is will help you, Gurinder. Done. Shanti. I think Shanti must be female. 30 me. 30. I can say one thing, you are religious, you follow religion principle. May 5th. You people want to create your name and fame, but sometimes you lack the motivation. 1984. Very disturbing year for India. Oh, East Java, Indonesia. Indonesia. I hope Indonesia. Java. It is not coming. Shanti, we will do in next part now. Best job for me, will I immigrate? See, one thing I can tell, whenever there is a eat, I can tell if you try, you will do it. So this is one question I can tell, if you will try, you will get. And but this person should get with their spouses. Mm, so Jayesh, the niche bhang of Saturn is happening in my D1 chart, right? And I am right. And what will the effect of future? Will I have a arrange love come arrange marriage element according D9 D9, because D1 is Saturn debilitated, but maybe these niche bhang of it. Then in the D9 Saturn is exalted. What are you writing? क्या लिख रहा है भाई? Seventh lord of D1 Mercury is debilitated in D9. Also Mars is debilitated in D9. Actually, lot of complication. I'm not able to interpret accurately. How can you please help me with it? Jayesh bhai. Jayesh Gujarati Gujarati. Yeah. Jayesh bhai is Gujarati. We got a Gujju bhai here. And 31st numerology 4, problem indecision. Numerology 4, if they love, they love. If they fight, they're not gonna leave them. March 3rd 2000 2000 2000 birthplace Vadodara. I have heard that there is a flood. So I have seen a map or even the kundi today, I will tell you one thing, that in few days it will be good, no need to worry. And 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Jayesh Mail 31st March, Jayesh 31st March 2001 1 a.m. Jayesh Vadodara. So I hope this is your chart. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. 31st 3 2000 Jayesh Vadodara. So what did you ask? That according to D1, D9, because D1 Saturn is deviated. Saturn, where is Saturn? Okay, no issue. But maybe the niche bhang of it. Then in D9 Saturn is exalted. D9 Saturn is exalted. Okay. And the seventh lord of Mercury D1, seventh lord of Mercury D1 is deviated in D9. Okay. And Mars deviated in D9. अरे भाई पूछना क्या चाह रहे हो? लॉट ऑफ कुछ नहीं है कॉम्प्लिकेशंस. सो चाह क्या रहे हो? विल आई विल लव कम अरेंज लव कम, क्या पूछ रहे हो? विल आई हैव अरेंज लव और लव कम अरेंज? देखो, पहली बात तो जयेश भाई, इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, सेवन्थ खाली काफ़ी अच्छा. कोई प्लेनेट हो, कोई वहाँ पे जितने भी, यहाँ कोई भगवान नहीं है. प्लेनेट ही है. प्लेनेट का भी एक दशा चलता है, टाइम चलता है. भगवान एक ही है, या तो उनको विष्णु बोलो या शिव बोलो, जो अनंत काल तक है. असुराज देवता कुछ समय के लिए होते हैं. सैटर्न, मरकरी, ये सारे भगवान के एक समझो ऑफिसर्स हैं. आप सही काम नहीं करोगे, दे विल पनिश यू. नंबर 1, इफ़ यू विल गुड, दे विल गिव यू सरप्राइज विद द गिफ्ट. अब आते हैं सेवन्थ, आपका एम्प्टी है, जो कि अच्छा है, टेंशन बात नहीं है. सेवन्थ का जो लॉर्ड दैट इज सैटर्न, और सैटर्न है 4th हाउस में, वो ठीक है, बेकार नहीं कहलाता. सैटर्न को आप डेबिलिटेड जो कह रहे हो कि ऐसा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि सैटर्न 4th हाउस में, 4th हाउस पेरेंट्स का होता है. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आपके जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे तो बीच में ही या तो आपको दादा साइड या नाना साइड से कंप्लीट प्यार नहीं मिला है, या तो इवन ये भी हो सकता है कि माँ बाप या घर में भाई बहन या कोई ऐसा होगा जिसमें आपको उससे प्यार की कमी लगी हो. लेकिन 7th का 4th में जा रहा है, एक अच्छा साइन. इसका मतलब होता है हमें चाहिए स्पाउस जो हमारी केयर करे. सैटर्न 4th में है, डेबिलिटेड है. इशू फैमिली में हो सकता है, रिलेशनशिप में इशू नहीं होगा, या बहुत कम चांस है. उसके लिए हम वीनस देखें, उसके लिए जुपिटर देखेंगे. जुपिटर जो कि 2nd में राहु के साथ बैठा है, गलत है. वीनस देखेंगे जो मून के साथ बैठा है, वो अच्छा है. राहु जुपिटर के साथ है, गुरु चंडाल बनाता है, जो कि 2nd हाउस में है. इसका मतलब है कि वेल्थ तो आता है, लेकिन वेल्थ सही है गलत है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा चार्ट अच्छा देखना पड़ेगा, वो आपसे मुझे बात करना पड़ेगा. आपके पास पैसा तो है, ये मैं देख के कह सकता हूँ, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. लेकिन राहु भी है, इसका मतलब है थोड़ा इंटॉक्सिकेशन है, थोड़ा कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी है. मतलब हो सकता है आपके या आपके घर में या किसी न किसी को अल्कोहल या सिगरेट या कोई ना कोई पान बीड़ी सुट्टा रजनीगंधा कुछ ना कुछ कोई ना कोई लेता होगा, उसको आदत होगी. देखना, आप चेक करना. 7th हाउस का 4th हाउस में गया, जो कि सैटर्न. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बहुत ख़राब, इसका मतलब है कि स्पाउस पास्ट लाइफ से आता है. हाँ, डाइवोर्स के चांसेस हैं, जो कि आपका नवमांश बताता है. ठीक है, अब आते हैं लग्न में देखते हैं. तो इसका जो 7th हाउस का है, तो 7th हाउस का जो लॉर्ड मरकरी को जाता है, आप देखो इसमें शनि से नहीं रिलेटेड है, इसके अंदर मार्स से रिलेटेड नहीं है, उसमें राहु से नहीं है, केतु से नहीं है. तो आप क्यों कह रहे हो बेकार है, बस इसलिए क्योंकि मरकरी है वो आपने कह दिया, कुछ भी आप डेवलेटेड कह दो, ऐसे नहीं चलता मेरे भाई। जब रिलेशनशिप के लिए देखते हैं तो नंबर वन हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट हाउस, कि पहला घर में कौन सा प्लैनेट बैठा हुआ है, कोई बैठा ही नहीं है, तो देखेंगे नाइन, नाइन बैठा है फिफ्थ में, वो तो ठीक है, मतलब आप अपने बुद्धि से कमाओगे पैसा, ठीक है, बैठे बैठे, कोई आपको शारीरिक क्षमता नहीं करनी पड़ेगी। लेकिन फिर क्या है कि देखो सेवन्थ हाउस एम्प्टी है, लेकिन सेवन्थ हाउस का जो लॉर्ड है मरकरी वो चला गया थर्ड हाउस में, हाउस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। आप चाहते हो वो स्पाउस जिससे आपको बातचीत में करने में बड़ा अच्छा लगे, आपकी बात समझे, बोलने में बहुत अच्छा हो, आपको भी गाने सुनने या थोड़ा बहुत गाना गाना या कोई ना कोई आर्ट्स में आपको पसंद हो, कुछ ना कुछ आपको एक हॉबी अच्छी आती होगी, नोटिस करना आप। जब आप छोटे थे या तो कलरिंग करना अच्छा आता लगता होगा, खेलना अच्छा, कुछ ना कुछ आपको अदर देन पढ़ाई करना वो अच्छा लगता होगा। मार्स सैटर्न इन द फिफ्थ हाउस, इसका मतलब है पढ़ाई लिखाई में थोड़ी रुकावटें थी, इसका मतलब ये है कि बच्चे होने में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा आपको, कंसीव होने में आपकी वाइफ को या आपको बेबी करने में प्रॉब्लम होगा कुछ ना कुछ। सेवन्थ हाउस गोज टू द थर्ड हाउस, देर इज़ अ वीनस ऑल्सो, ये मत भूलें आप। इसका मतलब है कि वाइफ देखने में आपसे अच्छी होगी, आपसे देखने में साफ सुथरी गोरी सुंदर होगी, ठीक है। वाइफ के आने से आपके घर में और पैसा आएगा, ठीक है। तो ये नवमांश में देख लिया, लग्न भी देख लिया। लग्न में ये चाय दारू सट्टा बेरी इन सब का चांस कम है, नवमांश में ज़्यादा है। तो इसका ये हो सकता है कि वाइफ की फैमिली में कोई ना कोई ऐसा हो या आपकी फैमिली में हो सकता है। कंफ्यूज मत करो, कंफ्यूज होने की दिक्कत नहीं है, शादी अच्छे से हो जाएगी, आपकी शादी में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है जयेश भाई, ठीक है, टेंशन मत लो। आप जैसे जिसकी कुंडली है, आपकी कुंडली बताती है आपको देवी माँ की, दुर्गा देवी माँ नवरात्रि आ रही है, पूजा करना, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, भगवान की देवी माँ की पूजा करना, गणेश जी की पूजा करना, यू विल गेट ए गुड वाइफ। अगर आप कुछ कर सकते हो तो मंडे को सुबह सुबह एक लोटा जल या दूध जाकर शिव जी को चढ़ा देना, अच्छा हो जाएगा। बाकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मैं सच्ची कह रहा हूँ। ऐसा नहीं है कि एक जनरल रीडिंग अगर किसी दूसरे के लिए अलग सेम है तो आपके लिए भी सेम हो, मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सबका, किसी ने कहीं कुछ लिख दिया ब्लॉग पर यूट्यूब पे सबका सेम है। अगर आप ही कुंडली देख रहे हो तो आपके लिए कहूँगा मैं, ठीक है। लेकिन हाँ, एक बार सेपरेशन ब्रेकअप या डाइवोर्स का चांस आएगा। लेकिन क्या होता है ना, शादी सिर्फ आपसे नहीं होती, शादी में अर्धनारीश्वर 50-50 होता है, एक मेल और फीमेल का यूनियन होता है, ठीक है। अगर आपकी जो वाइफ होगी उनका चार्ट अच्छा होगा, उसमें अगर अच्छे सेवन्थ हाउस में सेवन्थ लॉर्ड के और उनका नक्षत्र सही होगा, उनका दर करक सही होगा, बहुत सारे सिग्निफिकेटर होते हैं, वो सब सही होंगे तो नहीं टूटती है भाई, क्यों डर रहे हो। Venus in the third house, Jupiter in the fifth house, you should go for the अरेंज मैरिज में भाई। मैं फिर से कहूँगा साफ, आपके बचाने के लिए, आपके अच्छे के लिए, यू शुड गो फॉर द अरेंज मैरिज। गो फॉर द मैरिज अरेंज, एंड उस अरेंज को आप फ़ोन पे बात करना, कन्वर्ट टू द अरेंज कम लव मैरिज, ठीक है। डेट विल बी गुड फॉर यू, फॉर योर फ्यूचर, ठीक है, इवन फॉर योर किड्स। आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट गिव यू वन टिप, गो फॉर द अरेंज। सिर्फ आपकी चार्ट को बता रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा दिक्कत है इसलिए। आइए मून चार्ट देख लेते हैं। मून चार्ट में राहु इन द सेवन्थ हाउस, अनकन्वेंशनल नेचर मैरिज। हो सकता है कि आप किसी से शादी करने के लिए जिद भी करें, या आपको पसंद आ जाए, या आप कहो नहीं, या मुझे इसी शादी करनी है। थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम दिखता है मुझे आपके चार्ट में। बाकी आपको स्पाउस ठीक मिलेगी, स्पाउस गोरी मिलेगी, स्पाउस की मीडियम हाइट होगी, स्पाउस देखने में ठीक होगी। हो सकता है स्पाउस के फीस पे कुछ दाने हो, पिंपल हो, कट हो, ठीक है। स्पाउस की स्मेल बहुत क्यूट होगी, देखना आप। एक तिल हो सकता है उनके गले या गाल पे, बाकी ठीक है, बाकी नो दिक्कत। आई होप इतना आपको पसंद आया हो। अबे भाई बहुत सारे हैं यार। शकुंतला सेन गुप्ता, चलिए आपका भी कवर कर देते हैं। इन्होंने 2 वीडियो में कमेंट कर रहा है। या आई विल टू कवर योर गेंगम लुंग। सो शकुंतला सेन गुप्ता, शकुंतला सेन गुप्ता, फीमेल, 23 अगस्त 2003। चिट्टागोंग बांग्लादेश, चिट्टागोंग बांग्लादेश। I don't know how to speak Bengali, but Shakuntala, I hope you understand my English. I even don't know that you understand Hindi or not. So let's go with the English. Chittagong, Bangladesh, and 8:30 a.m. And I hope Hindus in Bangladesh are safe. I have heard a lot about those they are suffering a lot. I hope they are safe and sound. And Hare Krishna, Shakuntala. Bangladesh Hindus are Vaishnavites, you can say followers of Krishna's. 8:30 a.m. So 23 March, 23 August, 20, 23 August 2003 and 8:30 a.m. Chittagong. Okay, so let me confirm. 23 August 2003, 8:30 a.m. Chittagong, Bangladesh. So what are your question? What about future spouse married life? ठीक है, so Virgo ascendant, good. I have not seen you Shakuntala, but I can say you're good looking. You like to be look good, to wear good clothes. You like to have a good clean house. You like to sleep in clean place. Mercury in the first house. I haven't seen, but I can say you are good looking girl. And you have anxiety problem, you have emotional problem, you have a nervous problem, you have a lot overthinking problem, you have a education problem, you have a relationship problems. I can say directly. Seventh house empty, good. Seventh house empty is good. Seventh house have a lord which is Jupiter, which is going into 12th house, because 12 is a Jupiter. So 12th is sign is a Pisces. Pisces lord is Jupiter, and 7th house Jupiter going to the 12th house. So it means yes, there is a chances to go foreign. There is a chances of foreign settlement. No doubt it. No doubt about it. You should even try to get married with a person who lives in a foreign. If not, tell your parents to find a boy who lives in a parent. If not, try to marry with a person who lives in a foreign. Number one. 7th goes to 12th. Yes, you will get a foreign spouse, most of the chance. If not, if you marry in your place, then there's a lots of chance you will motivate to go to foreign, because there is a past life thing in that you have to suffer your karma, you have to complete your karma in the foreign land. If by any chance, if you don't go to foreign land, your spouse don't take you to the foreign land, there is a lots of chance you will go for honeymoon or go for any traveling to any other foreign country. Foreign country can be any place. It may be India, it may be Australia, or it may be USA, means that can be any places. You just don't say that I will go to USA, it may can be any place. Now you will get a good looking spouse too, because Venus connected to the 7th house. You will get a wisdom knowledgeable spouse too, because Venus, Jupiter is also connected to the 12th house. You will get a egoist, you will get a angry nature spouse too. You will get a direct, you will get a cruel spouse too. Cruel in terms of speaking. Your spouse will hurt you sometime through his way of talking. Even when you had a relationship in the previous, or when you will have a relationship now on in the future, you will find, or you will get a boyfriend who will not know how to speak to you. They will not understand you feeling, your emotions. But yes, either a boyfriend, if you will have like 2 to 3 boyfriend, you will have a many boyfriend who will look good. You want a boyfriend who look good, who feel good, who talk good, who walk good. And your spouse will good looking, no doubt about it, don't worry. Overall, you have a good marriage life. There will be a chance of separation, but please, when you get married, do horoscope analysis, horoscope milan, horoscope matching with your spouse. You will do job, you will be independent as your 10th house. You will be a good mother, no doubt about it. There will be problem in conceiving in a child, so be careful. Worship Devi Ma, as Rahu in the 9th house. So Durga Devi killed Mahishasur. So asuras like Mahishasur, Rahu are get fear from Devi Ma, Durga Devi Ma. And other thing is, everything is fine, no need to worry. Okay. And in the later, when you get married, always wear diamond in your finger, it will be lucky charm for you. I hope this all help you, and I hope if we left anyone, we will complete in other part of other parts in other video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. This is a gift from me to you. There's no expectation, nothing. I'm telling once again, this is a gift from me to you. Simple as that. This is a gift from me to you. Keep it. Be happy. Have a good life. I hope all the blessing of this world comes to you. I hope all the good fortune of this world comes to you. I pray for you. Thank you so much.